Hey everyone, and welcome back. Projects and labels are two different ways to organize tasks. Let me show you when to use each one in Todoist's free version. Projects hold tasks by category or goal. For example, a work project holds all your job tasks. A personal project holds home tasks. Free plan gives you 5 projects. Labels add context across projects. For example, you can label a task at phone, whether it's in work or personal. Labels tell you where or how to do the task, not what project it belongs to. Here's when to use projects. Use projects for major life areas like work, personal, side business, or health. Projects don't change often. They're your high-level buckets. Here's when to use labels. Use labels for contexts like at computer, at home, at errands, or at 5 mins. Also use labels for energy levels like at quick or at deep focus. Labels help you batch similar tasks across different projects. The free plan limits you to 5 projects but unlimited labels, so use projects sparingly and labels generously. Pro tip: start with 3 projects only, add a fourth only when you really need it. Keep your last project slot for archive to store completed projects, and that's it. Projects for what you're working on, labels for where or how you do it. If you use both, let me know your most useful label in the comments. See you in the next one.